Okay, you guys, we're at Franklin Auto Museum. Let's check it out.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
Hi, and welcome to the Franklin Museum of Tucson, Arizona. In a moment, one of the curators will personally guide you through this unique collection of Franklin automobiles. For a better appreciation of what you're about to see, please take a few minutes right now to learn some basic facts about Franklin's and how this collection came into existence. Most histories of the American auto industry mention Franklin, but seldom go beyond a footnote. This collection was amassed by one man, Tom Hubbard, who lived from 1925 until 1993.
This looks like a Survivor here.
Some of the colors, they liked a lot of brown and orange back then.
Rumble seat, I think that's called. Kind of tight for an adult.
Huh?
Be kind of cut tight for an adult. Maybe to throw a couple of kids back here.
Adults sat back here, though, but they were all little petite things.
Sport Phaeton.
$3,150 that you bought it in. Back then.
Privacy curtain over here, it's a big thing of glass and it moves with the big wooden.
The what?
A privacy thing, so you feel like if you were, someone of wealth that was traveling.
By the way, you guys, this is Lori that you've been hearing about so much about. Look at the fit and the finish of this.
This is for your golf clubs back here. This is for the sporty
There we go.
place for golf clubs that you pull
There's
up
a
the
little
side.
door over here where if this was down, you can, like a
Pull
little,
your clubs out.
have access to what's in there. Yeah.
There's a door over there.
Love the color. It's amazing how
1930 Pirate Phaeton, model 147. Oh yeah. What do you think these are?
Doors open up back in the day. That's how you build these into that, because the radiators weren't real well. So that you take the exhaust and that off the headers off of there. This one here, if you look at it, is like 1931.
I wish they would show who, like if somebody famous owned it or not.
One of the presidents owned one of these, and I don't remember which one it is, but there's a sign here. I don't remember which one.
This chauffeur's hat and gloves in there. Plenty of leg room in there.
There's some of the original floorboard and that in the car before they restored this stuff in there.
Wow. Wooden floorboard.
show for information. Okay, I mean his
Well, look
stuff
at the
there.
doors. There's no way to get my fat ass in there.
Okay, so this one has,
I mean, this
there's
was,
extra seats in here too.
door opens.
Yeah.
You're not gonna pop down the seat there, so you're facing each other.
It's like a TV tray. Look at this one, literally. So this
It used to be-
lifts up, this comes out, and then you sit in it, so it's like having a TV tray up here. Isn't
This
that
would be a
weird?
real pain.
And your legs sit underneath. This pulls up.
Wow.
Is there a door over there too?
I don't know, do you know what this would be for?
That's probably a signal.
Huh?
That would come up and turn signal.
Oh. Yeah, look at the third row. The middle row is kind of
Oh yeah, didn't notice that. Put the kid right there.
quite a luxury car. Leather seats. convertible.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that leather. Wow.
And then it has a separate window to divide it.
Okay. That's love to own one of these or anything. Yeah, I mean,
Like the old,
well, I'd like
oldies.
anything.
I started laughing when you come up with Model S because I'd been the guy that chopped it up.
Yeah, that's I thought of that when he said that too.
Chopped it up and make an old street rod with it. I remember my grandfather had a Model T when he passed away. It's actually pretty cool. I remember it sitting in the barns. You know?
What happened to that?
I have no idea. I was very young at the time. There you go.
Oh wow, look at this.
Sonoran Princess over there.
Okay, we're getting older here. 1905 Model A Runabout. Franklin Runabout.
Yes.
Very cool. Hard rubber tires. Tell me this thing didn't drive like a rock.
Imagine that on Tucson streets. This is a 1.5 ton truck.
The fan blade looks like it's made out of cast iron.
You notice most of these are right-hand drive too.
Mm-hmm. Yours?
1910 Model G Touring.
Buy a car like this.
1918 Model 9B Touring.
There's all the awards and places this one. Historical USA Auto Clubs. This one belongs
I love this stuff.
to. Look at all the plaques and that. This place is.
Look at all the what?
The wall. It's not awards. It's plaques. Auto Club plaques. This one I actually got enjoyed.
This was.
Yeah. It cost $2,850. It was never restored, so this is as is.
It's a Survivor.
This is all original, never restored. Thing that's sitting on the table over there by the wall.
I said, yeah, I got it.
Is it
Yeah.
Iowa farm?
Where'd you see it?
Oh, that came from an Iowa farm?
Yeah. Did you read
Where's
it?
it from?
It's 5 feet off the ground. It must have been like a tornado or something.
Let's see this one more time. Found on a Cherokee, Iowa farm, 5 feet off the ground. Didn't notice that when I came over here before. I grew up 30 miles from Cherokee. I grew up 30 miles from
Well, that's why I think it.
Cherokee, Iowa.
Did you grow up real close to that? I
Yeah,
figured you.
about 30
Yeah, well,
miles.
that's perfect. You can say.
Is that crazy?
Look what happens back home.
These are the ones they still drive on the road.
Take on parades and stuff like that. Huh. Go ahead.
These are the ones they ran in the parades and stuff like that. They still drive them periodically.
That's they're saying that one's a Packard. It's not a.
Yep. This one's
That'd be cool. That yellow beauty in the corner is no Franklin. That is
a
1939.
passenger Packard.
That car would be sharp, chopped down. Now this one's all original paint and
This
everything.
must be
Yeah.
this come out to have more pictures.
I've seen them, like in the old movies, they've got that.
Got these old wood wheels. This one's
Which is a
100%.
that was-
Never, this one has been restored.
Makes sense.
As sharp. Interiors in there, I don't see. I'm sure they were rotted. This one hasn't been touched too much.
Survivor.
Very little.
Always had them. That was
Did
your.
you?
Yeah, we traveled anywhere we traveled in the '60s. We had the water bag on it, and then
If you overheat
if
it.
overheated it, and
It's in
then
the 60s for the most. So this is the
I'd
last
love to
one.
have that when I was a kid. Shit, I'd love to have it now.
It's a baby one.
and never restored.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
So they have a window.
Does this one have a little side door on there? No?
No. It's got the look on the bumper. You got a step here. Step,
on the back?
step on,
Step to get in,
and
then
in the
this-
fender,
I guess this comes up and then you can roll the window down the top.
and then you step up to there.
John Monroe's.
I love that.
But just simple inside.
And it's engraved and just the little classy touches.
Sharp.
It's simple.
Yeah, there's no vents, no heater.
Yeah, Arizona air conditioning.
Chevy.
Yeah, beautiful car.
Factory, 7-passenger touring.
Pinstripe livery detail work on this thing.
1930 special sedan.
It's all hand pinstriped. This one over here is just detailed the head.
Oh, we did come in here.
Got a 2-speed rear end in it. See the second knob.
Take a bite of the
Okay, you guys, we're gonna wrap up this video here. We're at this little mom and pop Mexican place, kind of fast food place with Jim and Lori. What are these?
These are Sonoran dogs, and we got the traditional Sonoran dogs. So these came to Tucson about 20, 30 years ago from Mexico, and they're hot dogs wrapped in bacon with pinto beans, onions, tomatoes, mustard, and mayonnaise,
Okay, you
and
better
jalapeno sauce.
you better try it.
All right. Yep. Oh,
Also was invented here in Tucson.
huh?
Chimichanga.
Mm.
Was invented here in Tucson, literally. Not Mexico.
Opinion?
Good.
Good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take her word for it. And we want to thank Jim and Lori for letting us mooch dock at their house, and we've been having a great time in the evenings. Appreciate you guys and for driving today. You're welcome. That's cool. Okay, gonna end this video here. God bless you guys. We will see you in a few days. Bye.
Bye.